Okay, hello everybody. Let me share here the trade idea, actually the trade execution. This is pretty much like a signal that I was sharing this morning. I used to do this, I shared ideas and trade ideas in my English channel in the Discord. Coeducation should have the link in the description below. And if not, you can ask me through here or Instagram. And let me share what and why was I looking for this. Look, today at 9:20 a.m. my goal expectations for today, Hiperscalp, 1 minute. Look at the graphic here, already even marked where I was looking to buy, and gold buys executed right now. And this happened, look, 9:51. If you notice, you could actually, even like if somebody were to take this as a signal, let's say, could have had even a better entry than myself, right? Because I entered here, the price was below. So what was I looking for? The main thing about this trade was adjusting to the price and reacting to it. So one thing I will say is this is a Telegram group. I do share mostly in Spanish in this one, but here in the morning I actually shared what I was looking for on gold here. Look at 8:43 today. I already had a sell zone here and a buy zone here. Now, if you notice, buy zone was around 2,420. Around here, 2,418. Okay, and later I was reacting to price, and then I noticed that buy zone was going to be a little bit higher because price was reacting from higher. But by the way, it still tapped into the zone. So if you notice, this is around like 2,419, and price came around here. Look, this is the tap, this is the rejection. So this is when I had buy zone down here, this is the rejection that I was looking for. And if you notice, it actually came almost to the zone, but it reacted above it. So what I was looking for was, okay, so if it is reacting above, now I have to go to the lower time frame to see if something is making sense, if price is maybe reacting from somewhere. Now it seems that price was actually reacting from this trend line that was coming from up here and tapped into this. And the most important thing that I noticed was that that it created a nice rejection from this zone. So now I have a new zone to execute for the rest of the NYSE session, because this is NY and NYSE is 9:30, right? It's around here. So that's why when I shared it, like for example in this group, this is even here, I did the same in English, but you can see here I marked here actually at 9:20. I actually said here I'm looking for buys continuations in the 1 minute right now. That was at 9:20, and then same thing I did in the English channel. Okay, I executed right now. This was 9:50, and if you notice, I even marked with a circle exactly what I was looking for. I was looking to buy from anything that created an entry above this little guy here, this reaction from here. And that's exactly what happened. So basically after that, almost 2 hours from the entry, and now you can see. So my main thing with this video is to show you that we are supposed to read the markets and be able to adapt to it so that we can react to it and we don't have to predict. Like you can quote unquote predict with buy limits and sell limits, but that's not really a prediction. That's actually when you have already a setup that price maybe retest a zone and has a high probability. Basically, you're also reacting, even though you're placing a buy limit or a sell limit, which is like I said, it would seem like if it was like predicting, but it's actually a reaction, because if you already had a break, like the previous video that I uploaded in this channel with GJ, you already know what to expect if price comes to a zone. In this session, I was hyperscalping in the 1 minute, as you can see, and basically I was just waiting for price to let me know when to enter and from here. And I reacted. I moved zone 1 from down below here from down below here up to here. So now I knew that for NYSE, I was looking for buys all the way up to here, which is the previous all-time high of the beginning of the week. I hope this helped you. So if this makes sense or made sense to you, remember to give it a like. If you didn't understand something, you can ask me here. You can ask me also in the Discord channel, and you can subscribe and give it a like. This is Joel Medina, and I'll see you in the next video.